Ten! There's 10! Let's find sheep! Yay! Found one!
Woof!
One. Here, sheepy, sheep, sheep. Found one.
Woof!
Two. Found one.
Woof!
Three. Thanks.
Woof!
Four. Where are you, Mr. Sheep? Found one.
Woof!
Five. Found one.
Woof!
Six. Found one.
Woof!
Seven. I found one!
Woof!
8. Found one!
Woof!
9.
9. That means one more to...
All right, squirrels. If you're going cow wrangling, you'll need
A woof!
a wrangler's hat,
A woof!
boots,
Woof!
a good shirt,
A woof!
and, of course, a horse. Well, howdy doody. We got ourselves some real cowhands here,
A woof!
and Dougie's got the supplies. Time to roll out, partners. Yee-haw!
Yee-haw!
Woof! Woof!
Now, the first thing a cowhand's gotta do is look. You see? Hoof prints. They've been this way. Next thing is, a cowhand's gotta listen. Wait. Can you hear them?
Yeah?
That away!
I'm thirsty. Cactus water.
Had me some cows, but them cows are gone.
Cows are gone.
Follow them cows to a land so far.
Land so far.
Lost me them cows. Oh, boo-hoo.
Boo-hoo. Hit it, Henny.
Come on, chickens. Get into the groove. And a 1, and a 2, and a 1, 2, 3, 4.
That's it, chickens.
She laid them. Now she has to keep them warm until they hatch and her baby chicks come out.
Wow! Eggs are amazing.
Woof!
Oh, yes. Duggie's a big fan. He even has his egg badge.
Did you have to lay an egg to get that, Duggee?
Huh?
The eggs are starting to hatch.
Woof! Cheep, cheep.
One chick.
Cheep, cheep.
2 chicks. 3 chicks.
I think this one's having a little trouble getting out.
Huh? A leg. Look, another leg. Look, chickens. Look. A mouse. An octopus. A hippo. A crocodile. A rhino. A rhino. Look, look. A big brown dog.
A wolf.
Look! A field! A nest! A cow! A pebble! A fence! A stick! Birds!
Oh, dear. Shh. Yes, squirrels. If you want to go bird watching, then you have to be very quiet. Otherwise, the birds fly off and you won't be able to see them. You'll have to whisper.
Whisper, 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 whisper.
Isn't that right, Duggee?
Woof!
A bird! A bird! I've spotted a bird!
Ooh!
Bird! Bird. Roly.
Remember, be very quiet, squirrels, or you'll frighten the birds.
Mm-hmm.
I think Duggee has spotted another bird. It's Henny the ostrich.
Bird! Roly! Sorry.
Yes, sorry, Henny. Duggee and the squirrels are just doing some bird watching.
Ooh, good.
Bye, Henny!
Cheerio!
Just time for one more thing.
Duggee hug!
Oh!
Duggee hug.